क्वेश्चंस? हाँ जी, इन्हें उठाइए. Any questions?
What advice will you give to the young entrepreneurs to be consistent in the startups? That is my question.
Okay, the question was, what advice would I give to the entrepreneurs to be consistent in their startups? If I have to give only one advice, I would say be obsessed with the problem, not the solution. Most of the entrepreneurs or the founders, they get obsessed with the solution, and then they keep on tweaking around the solution. Eventually, after a few months or years, they realize they've lost track of the problem. Solve क्या कर रहे हो भाई? क्योंकि you are so compounded by the solution and the alternatives of the solution. For example, weight loss. सप्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं, कैलोरी डेफिसिट कर सकते हैं, स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर एक्सरसाइज की बात करें, आप में से कई लोग जिम जाते होंगे, आई होप आप जाते होंगे. तो आप जाते होंगे तो आप सोचते होंगे क्या करूं, एरोबिक करूं, कार्डियो करूं, स्ट्रेंथ करूं, मोबिलिटी करूं, HIIT करूं, वेट ट्रेनिंग, पावर लिफ्टिंग, क्या करूं? इतने सारे ऑप्शन है ना. सो दीज आर द सॉल्यूशंस, बट यू हैव टू बी ऑब्सेस्ड विद प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. मेरे को जिम जाकर अचीव करना क्या है? मेरे को लीन बॉडी चाहिए, मेरे को अभी फैट लॉस चाहिए. माइलस्टोन बना बना के चलेंगे. पहले एक गोल क्रिएट करेंगे, उसको अचीव करेंगे, फिर नेक्स्ट माइलस्टोन बनाएंगे. अभी आप कहेंगे कि ठीक है, मेरे को वेट लॉस करना है या मेरे को फैट लॉस करना है, तो आपका प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट रहेगी फैट लॉस. सॉल्यूशन इस प्रॉब्लम के अराउंड बनेगा. द सेम लाइक द ऑर्बिट मॉडल, द टारगेट कस्टमर एट द सेंटर, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, विच प्रॉब्लम आर यू सॉल्विंग, हाउ आर दे सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप वेट लॉस करना चाहते हैं, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन रहेगा अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे, अभी तक क्या कर रहे हो, देन अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. द प्रोबेबिलिटी whether you can improvise upon existing solution or whether you want to create a new solution. So the advice that you were seeking is be obsessed with the problem statement and not the solution, because the solution would automatically emerge if you understand the problem. Like in strategy consulting, they say, even in philosophy, you say you spend 80% of your time sharpening the X. In that 20% of the time, you'll cut the entire forest. So similarly, no, I guess. So this is the orbital model that I was talking. Put your customer at the center. Then what are the problems? How are they solving it? How can you help them solve them? Then create your products and offering, whether it is services or the products. But अभी तक majority entrepreneurs क्या करते हैं मार्केटिंग में? मैं ये बनाना चाहता हूं प्रोडक्ट, इसको खरीदेगा कौन? अवेयरनेस कैसे फैलाऊंगा? बेचूंगा कैसे? You are actually doing it completely opposite of what you should be doing as a marketer. किसको cater कर रहे हो, whom are you serving, that is most critical. Your target customer and the problem statement of the customer. Just get obsessed with two important things: the intended serve customer and their problem statement. Solution would come, the alternative would come, service would come, product would come. But if you are product obsessed, then the challenge arises. Even if, let's say, you say, I'm a product manager, sir. I have a innovative product. Now what to do about it? Let's say आप बोलते हैं मेरे पास एक innovative product है. Now what? अब मैं customer थोड़ा ना डालूंगा. तो भी I would say follow again the same. But कैसे? Your product would serve whom? For example, और ये innovation बहुत सारी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां करती हैं. For example, WhatsApp कैसे आया था? ये कस्टमर है, ये कस्टमर कम्युनिकेट करना चाहता है. अभी तक कैसे कर रहा है? Gtalk से करते थे पहले बातचीत, WhatsApp से पहले. सॉरी, WeChat. ओके, डिफरेंट चैट प्लेटफॉर्म्स. गूगल पे है, तब उस समय गूगल टॉक्स, गूगल हैंगआउट्स होते थे. आप पहले गूगल का अकाउंट बनाएंगे, फिर वेट करेंगे कोई ऑनलाइन आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा. So what did they do? They've liberated the dependency of chat on your account. How do they find out? सबके पास फोन होते हैं. फोन बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन बना दो. फोन तो सभी के पास होते हैं. That's how WhatsApp came. तो कस्टमर क्या था? Somebody who wants to interact. The people who wants to interact. The problem statement क्या थी? Everybody has to have a chat software or a chat account. Not everybody wants to create a chat account. And you need to understand here, most of the people, they were not literate even. But एक सेमी एजुकेटेड इंडिविजुअल के पास फोन नंबर है, उसके पास गूगल अकाउंट नहीं है. ईमेल वो अपने बच्चे का यूज करता है. पेरेंट्स की अगर बात करें, वो ईमेल यूज करता है बच्चे का, क्योंकि ईमेल वो चलाना नहीं जानता, ना उसे चलानी आती है, ना पसंद है. बट उसके पास फोन है, वो बात करना चाहता है, चैट करना चाहता है. That's how eventually WhatsApp got evolved. The problem statement of enabling social interaction without the dependency of an internet application. Simple. अगर WhatsApp का फाउंडर कहता है कि चलो मेरे पास एक चैट एप्लीकेशन है, अब मुझे किसको सॉल्व करना है? फिर से अगेन, अभी तक वो कैसे चैट कर रहे थे? वी चैट से, गूगल चैट से. उससे बेटर प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है? अभी सबको अकाउंट होना जरूरी है. तो उसने उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर दिया. अकाउंट नहीं चाहिए, आपको बस एक फ़ोन नंबर चाहिए, और फ़ोन सबके पास होता है. तो अगर आपके पास फ़ोन है तो आप चैट कर सकते हैं. दैट्स हाउ यू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. सो आई गेस इन द समरी आई एम डन विद व्हाट आई हैव टू शेयर विद यू in brief about the startups and the marketing strategy. Like I said, always remember the orbit model for the marketing strategy. Put the customer at the center of the universe, the problem it solves. Be obsessed with the problem and not the solution. The solution would emerge out. That's important. Some of the factors that are important for a success of a startup venture is test. The timing. आप कब लॉन्च कर रहे हैं? बरसातों में अम्ब्रेला बिकेगी, टाइमिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सर्दियों में अम्ब्रेला बेचने जाओगे, नहीं बिकेगी. So timing of your business is important. Execution is important. How flawless you execute. Speed. How fast you execute. बारिशें आने वाली हैं, अभी टेंट के बेचने लगो. The speed of execution is important. And the team. Because alone you can do so little. Together you can go a lot far. So the test model, the orbit model, I guess these are good point to begin with, whether you work as a marketer in an organization or whether you are a startup founder or an entrepreneur. Any questions you feel free to ask. You can always reach out to me as well. And rather, I would say, if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer now. Please. Yes.
Can you share a personal coaching experience that had a profound impact on someone's life or career?
Okay, the personal coaching experience. Okay, it can be both business, it can be the personal, when you say the personal coaching experience. Yes, I would say I'm fortunate to have numerous examples where I've helped people get their health back. For example, one of my client who was advised a surgery. Eventually, the person was referred to me. We spoke of, we've discussed, and then I realized that we can actually do it without it. I spoke on behalf of the client to the doctors, and then we eventually understood that the problem is not the surgery, because the medical is a very dark business. If you're going to ask me, it's not that easy, because once you get into the hospital, you are a customer, and then you play in the blind spot. So I had numerous experiences of helping the clients get out of, avoid the scalpel or the surgery. And as far as the business goes, then there is one individual I personally helped coaching her, possibly get the clarity in her career. Today, she is the L&D head of one of the largest back office company. Would not want to name because confidentiality remains. So yes, there are numerous examples, and possibly if you look at the health or the business wise, my LinkedIn profile can talk about through the recommendations. There is this digital marketing agency guy who possibly wanted to venture into a new account. He was again struggling with the marketing part. I helped him draw out the roadmap, helped him launch the business. He launched it, he made revenue, he sold it off, made good money. I have his recommendation on my LinkedIn. Then there are a lot of female founders, male founders, again, whom I've helped build discipline. Because when I work with individual, I do not work on the symptom of it. I would always like to work on the root cause of it. So like I said, entrepreneur बनना है तो discipline बनाइए. Fit रहना है तो discipline बनाइए. Whether you want to build health or wealth, you need to build discipline. Because discipline is the foundation of growth. You cannot compromise it, and you cannot do without it. Any more questions?
Sir, like in today's world, like too much busy are people. Okay, so sir, how can they maintain their body and mental health? Like they are all are working. So how can they maintain their body and mind so that they can work more effectively?
Okay, when you talk about everybody is busy, how can they maintain good health? Then the holistic health, the mind, body, and the relationships. I would always say it's about priorities. Priorities in life. Understand there are trade-offs. In everything, you make a choice. And the fundamental rule that I say is, you're free to make a choice, but you're not free from its consequences. आप रोज बर्गर खाते हैं, आपकी चॉइस है. बीमार पड़ जाओगे, वो उसका कॉन्सिक्वेंस है. यू कैन नॉट रन अवे फ्रॉम इट. आप क्लास बंक करते हो, ये आपकी चॉइस है. मार्क्स कम आ रहे हैं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, ये इसका कॉन्सिक्वेंस है. सो I would always recommend and suggest you to take a stock of your life, maybe a monthly or maybe a fortnightly, and know what are your priorities in life. Build your priorities dynamically, make a choice, and nobody is so busy to take a half an hour for himself or herself. Never ever. Even some of the busiest CXOs, they take our time. Because you need to ask yourself, am I ready to trade off my health for this much money? Okay, your mind is not ready. So introspect करें. Introspect कैसे करेंगे? Okay, I'll say, I'll give you a solution. Go for a walk. Go for a walk in the nature. Go for a walk in the nature. Walk barefoot on grass. Just you and yourself. No phone even. आप ये 15 मिनट करके देखें, and you'll get the clarity. Like they say, you walk with yourself, you talk with yourself, and the answers come. Possibly do that for a couple of days and you'll see the difference, how much clarity you get in your life about the various confusing questions that is popping up daily. इससे बात करूं, क्लास जाने हैं, ये निकलना है, उसकी फीस देनी है, बॉडी खराब हो रही है, दवाई एक्सेट्रा, सारी चीज़ें सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएंगी. So the first step. No, I would say do not introspect while driving because you might end up hurting somebody. That's and people interact while driving, you'll say. And there is this, I guess, a meme you'll find on social media which says, of course, don't drink and drive because there is somebody who texts and drive. They'll hit you and you'll be held responsible. So don't introspect while driving. Introspect while walking, barefoot on the ground, in the nature. Walking in the nature helps. It's not about walking in the concrete. Walk. Okay, then spend time with yourself. That's most important. Do it and you'll see the difference.
Sir, how we can motivate ourselves every time?
Anji?
Sir, how we can motivate ourselves every time? Sometimes we feel lethargy or energyless and we don't want to do anything. So, at that situation, what should we do?
At that situation, ask yourself, how strongly you need that thing to be done. जैसे हम मैनेजमेंट में सॉर्ट बनाते हैं, स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड थ्रेट्स. तो क्रिएट अ प्रायोरिटी चार्ट, urgent, immediate, important, less important. And then whatever you are procrastinating or avoiding doing it, ask yourself, if I'm not going to do it, let's say अभी आप बोल रहे हैं मेरे को आज करने का मन नहीं है. अगर आज करने का मन नहीं है तो आप पूछे अपने आप से, आज नहीं करूंगी तो कोई नुकसान है? What am I trading off? Like I said somebody that every choice is a trade-off. So you need to ask yourself, if I'm not going to do this, let's say I'm going to miss this. For example, अगर मैं आपके पास आज नहीं आता, I was invited, I was fortunate, I was invited. Now I had a choice. मैं सर के इन्विटेशन पे जाऊं या सर को एक्सक्यूज दे दूं. It's a choice, right? But then I was like, no, I wanted to meet sir, I wanted to meet students. So I take a decision. So always remind yourself the trade-off. क्योंकि एक चीज छोड़ते हैं, छोड़नी पड़ती है.
Sir, last question.
Yes, please.
Sir, as you mentioned the marketing, so there are most Indian startups and entrepreneurs can't have the access to advanced technologies and infrastructure to support their startups. So while we see that China, they have living in 2050. So how the Indian startups can manage these things to pitch their product in the global level, because China's product are in all over the globe. So how the Indian startups can do like this?
I think Indian startups are actually doing well in that space, because when you talk about technology, the advancement in technology, there is no end to it. For example, the AI, it started with the chat GPT. Today, what is AI? It has trespassed. It has permeated into your life. Possibly you're adopting it as entertainment. But I would say no. In case of AI, you are the product. So technology has no limits. As a marketer, now coming back to the question, as a marketer, be obsessed with what you're trying to solve. For example, the most recently, the AI, which this tool, Ghibli, right? I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but yes, what it is doing, आपका कार्टून बना रही है images पे, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. Millions of people have done it. But do you know the brain behind this? वो आपको फ्री में कर रहा है. आपकी पर्सनल फोटोग्राफ्स उसके पास एक्सेस होती है. फोटोग्राफ्स के पिक्सल, उसकी हिस्ट्री, उसका डेटा आप फ्री में दे रहे हैं. So you are the product which is training the AI. So don't think yourself, मेरे को तो entertainment है, because anything free. Remember, there are no free lunches. Nothing is free. If it is free, you are the product. The same is happening for this AI picture tool. Most of my friends even ask, अच्छा ठीक है तू भी बना ले. I'll say, why do I have to give my information to this? I don't want my cartoon. Because that may give you a temporary joy. But do you know you are trading off your personal information for that image? And how that information is going to get used, the owner knows. And that's how you do it. For example, tomorrow when you open up, and you'll see the phone listens to you. You think of something and suddenly when you open up on the Amazon, the same kind of product pops up. आप वेट लॉस की बात कर रहे हैं, अभी आपको 6 घंटे बाद SMS आ जाएगा, आइए आयुर्वेदिक दवाई लीजिए, वेट लॉस करिए. Because the phone is listening, the information is circulating across. Yes, please. Sir.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir, please.
With Yogen,
Sir.
you're
Yes.
the founder.
Yeah.
Then I think I read somewhere, ask Yogen.
No, Train with Yogen is my brand under which I work with the organization, the institutes, and the individual.
Right. But you have, as part of your website or something, ask Yogen? If it is not there, you should.
Yeah, maybe yes, on the website. If not,
Okay. No, I was just wondering that, these students have a lot of questions.
True.
Once they interact with you, they will continue to have questions.
True.
Is there a mechanism by which they can ask you questions on the web or something else?
Absolutely, I'll be more than happy to have questions. We can work it out whichever way is mutually comfortable and convenient. Possibly we can collate the questions,
Okay.
or possibly you can collate the questions and I can come down some other day, attend to have a session where the questions can be answered. Either ways, I'll be more than happy to guide students.
Thank you.
Yes, please. This gentleman was asking from long time. Yeah.
Sir, how to take right decision in business so that our business will not become bankrupt?
Okay. How to take a right decision so that the business does not become bankrupt? Okay. It's a very macro question, but I'll just narrow it down to the micro statement, because your focus of the question is you do not want the business to become bankrupt. Take care of the finances. Build financial discipline from day one. Marketing budget or hiring of the people. Be financially disciplined. Every penny counts. If you are conscious of the money that you're investing from day one, you would never go bankrupt. Maybe you'll amplify the opportunities of break even quite early. So financial discipline is one of the focused niche answer to a question that you do not want your business to go bankrupt. Hanji.
Sir, if we want to become an entrepreneur, so what is the first step to do at this stage?
जैसे मैंने आगे सेशन के पहले ही बताया था, build discipline. Fitness.
Sir, fitness is important, but finance is also important in entrepreneurs, because when we have investment plans and when we have finance and cash, so we will start up a business.
Yeah, Miss, I understand your question. So the point is, finance is the bloodline of any business. But when you want to start up, don't try to do everything alone. Get the right set of people. When the intent is right, the money flows. Again, as an entrepreneur, remain focused and obsessed with the problem that you're trying to solve. I have had students approaching me, like I'm a mentor with IIT Kharagpur as well. A lot of students, they reach out to me with some of the most innovative products. I help them build the business plan. I've invested in a couple of them as well. So like I said, remain focused on the problem statement. If your problem is very pressing, the money would flow.
Sir, as we saw our Shark Tank, so there are so many products they showed. So then what should we do unique from others? So how it will come from?
नहीं, देखिए, आप जो पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि आप कह रहे हैं शार्क टैंक पे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आते हैं, बहुत सारे बिजनेस आते हैं.
सो सर, हमारा यूनिक आइडिया क्या होगा? हम कैसे यूनिक सोच सकते हैं किसी और से? क्योंकि आज की डेट में तो बहुत कंपटीशन है, बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं, तो हम कैसे दूसरों से अलग हो सकते हैं?
अगर आप मेरे से पूछेंगे तो मैं कहूँगा आपका सवाल ही गलत है. कैसे? आप कह रहे हैं मैं यूनिक आइडिया कैसे ढूंढूं? आप यूनिक आइडिया नहीं ढूंढे, आप प्रॉब्लम्स ढूंढे. That's why entrepreneurship is an experience. You can become a businessman or maybe a businesswoman, which you are possibly suggesting के शार्क टैंक में बहुत सारे आइडियाज आ रहे हैं. आप possibly उस आइडिया को लेकर दूसरे तरीके से बना देते हैं, तो आप एक बिजनेसमैन बन जाते हैं, बिजनेस वुमेन बन जाते हैं. But when you're talking about the entrepreneurship, that's the fundamental difference between a business and a startup. A startup has innovation and something unique to it. तो यस, बिजनेस आइडियाज बहुत सारे मिलेंगे, आप उसे फाइन ट्यून करें, ट्वीक करें, एक नई तरीके से लॉन्च कर दें, बिजनेस बन गया.
थैंक यू सर.
You said, how does an idea become innovative? आपने ओला उबर यूज़ किए? ओला उबर यूज़ किया है ना? क्या जब ओला उबर आया उससे पहले लोग ट्रेवल नहीं करते थे?
करते थे.
कैसे करते थे? टैक्सी होती थी काली पीली, हैं? There used to be a taxi stand. या तो आप वहाँ तक अप्रोच कीजिए, या उसको अगर नंबर है आपको फ़ोन कर दीजिए, वो टैक्सी लेके आपके घर आ जाता था. जहाँ जाना है वहाँ जा रहे हैं. Perfect. What has changed is that now you have an app. You give your address, you give the location,
Yes.
you are given an option of mini, SUV and all. You're shown the fare. You know the fare in advance. टैक्सी में उसने मीटर डाउन किया, आप पहुंचे तब पता लगता था कितना हुआ है.
Yes.
Here you know the fare in advance. That's what has changed. Nothing else has changed.
Yes. Sir.
But Kali Pili taxis have vanished. Totally vanished. This is what innovation is.
Yes, sir.
Remember, I call it you. There's any technology. This is my own conjecture. I've coined this word: disruptive technology. Unless the technology or innovation you are thinking of is not disrupting the way things are happening today, it will not succeed. You have to disrupt how it is working today, then only you can succeed. अगर आपका जो आइडिया है वो जैसा कोई हो रहा था वैसे ही हो रहा है तो सक्सीड नहीं करेगा. इनोवेशन इज हाउ टू डिसरप्ट दैट. द मोमेंट यू आर एबल टू डिसरप्ट व्हाट इज द वे इट इज वर्किंग टुडे, यू विल बी अ सक्सेस. काली पीली नहीं है, वो ओला उबर है. Does that answer your question?
Sir, last question, sir. So, sir,
Questions are good. Questions are good.
sir, actually, there are more startups and which are converting to mid and small scale MSMEs. So the thing is, many startups are getting in trouble because of they can't able to retain their top talents because they have many opportunities go in some other companies. So they have many opportunities. How we can able to retain the top talents startups, like if your startup is good and visionary. So there is a big thing, right?
People has always been a challenge for any business, whether it is a startup or it's a big organization.
Sir, so how we can able to retain our top talents in our business?
Okay, when it comes to startups or possibly a small and a medium business enterprise, culture plays a very important role. For example, in TCS, you have 450,000 employees. Yes, it's a culture, but you are like a small fish in an ocean. But when you talk of the startups, there are a very small number of people, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100, 200 max. That's all. Make people feel involved. And culture is not your end result. Culture is your everyday activity. Do it from the day one.
Sir, so we should give some intensive like money, like give the hike. We can't able to give more salaries, right, for the
True.
people. So they have the trade-off in our company. So how we can able to retain in particular thing I want.
That's why I said build up the culture, bring the ownership. For example, if you want to hire me, let's say you want to hire me, you have a very innovative, sir, I've got this drug which is like a Mr. India की घड़ी है मेरे पास, ठीक है सर मेरे को marketing strategist join कर लें. Okay. Definitely you are not ready to, you cannot pay me. So what you are going to do, but you need my services and you need me to join in your journey. You'll possibly say, okay sir, I'll give you equity. That's how you create the founding team. A founding team is something which has got a skin in the game. And then you don't dilute your equity so much, possibly a few people. After that, you attract talent through a combination of ESOPs, stock options, and the salary. Then performance-based incentives. जैसे हम बोलते हैं, sales में you reinvest the money. Similarly, whatever the revenue that you're generating, make it a performance incentive. Your sales folks would be very much influenced and they'll stick with you. I guess we are good. Thank you so much. It was lovely interacting with you.